Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable location service on Textme. So let's get started. First, launch open settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find apps option. Tap on apps. Among all of these options, select manage apps. In the search bar, type in Textme and perform your search. Now tap on Textme application. Then this page is going to show up. Tap on app permissions option. Scroll down a little and then tap on location option. To enable location service on Textme, tap on allow only while using the app option. And this is how you can enable location service on Textme. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.